How often do you think about the oxygen around you? It's one of the most abundant elements in our atmosphere and forms the basis for life on Earth. Equally, oxygen can also be very destructive. Oxygen determines just what can burn and how quickly. Fire is a process of oxidation, the same as corrosion, and without oxygen, these events simply cannot take place. In order to truly protect against disaster, it's vital to know how these elements interact. When you look closely, our atmosphere is made up of primarily two ingredients, about 21% oxygen and 78% nitrogen, or more simply, one particle of oxygen for every 4 particles of nitrogen. No matter where you are on Earth, this balance remains the same, and it allows for oxygen to interact freely with the surrounding environment, breaking materials down over time or allowing them to burn when there is enough heat. The Cap9 process alters this balance by increasing nitrogen in the atmosphere so the reactive properties of oxygen can be absorbed. A simple concept that minimizes the negative effects of oxidation at the molecular level in order to protect sensitive materials. For those responsible for preserving our world's heritage or storing its data, we offer a completely proactive approach that takes a normal reaction time to disaster and eliminates it entirely, since there is never any fire to begin with. Most importantly, our process ensures that there is always enough oxygen in the air to remain safe and healthy for anyone breathing it, continually filtered of impurities. A Cap9 room also holds some of the cleanest air in the world. With the smallest footprint in the industry, we offer smart, scalable solutions designed to accommodate everything from small storage operations all the way up to the largest warehouse complexes. And due to the nature of an air-based protection system, it means that virtually every square millimeter of space is protected from fire and corrosion, offering a level of protection that is unmatched when it comes to protecting valuable assets and managing risks associated with fire. Cap9, the next evolution in atmospheric control.